Panchagavya is made from panch or 5 things from the native breed cow. To make approximately 15 liters of Panchagavya, you need fresh cow dung 5 kgs, cow urine 3 liters, cow milk boiled and cooled to room temperature 2 liters, cow milk curd 2 liters, cow milk ghee 500 grams, well ripened bananas about 12 to 15, 500 grams of jaggery dissolved in 3 liters of water. In case you do not have jaggery, you can replace it with 3 liters of fresh sugarcane juice. Then you need fresh tender coconut water about 3 liters, fresh grape juice 2 liters, and optionally you can use about a teaspoon of yeast. Take a clean plastic or wooden bucket. Mix the cow dung and ghee using a wooden stick. This process is a little time consuming, but be patient and mix the cow dung and ghee well. But do not do it vigorously. Do it gently. Then cover using a cloth and leave it for 3 days. Do not forget to stir the mixture twice daily. On the 4th day, first mix the cow urine a little at a time. And make a smooth paste. And now add in rest of the ingredients one by one gently. Finally cover it and leave it to ferment for 15 days. Keep the container in a fully shaded area away from rain. And as usual, do not forget to stir the mixture twice in a day using a wooden stick. After a total of 18 days, Panchagavya is ready to be used. It can be stored and used up to 2 months. To use Panchagavya, dilute with 30 parts water. It can be used as a fertilizer. Use it every 2 weeks during normal growth of plant and once in a week during flowering or fruiting. To use as a foliar spray, first filter the liquid using a piece of cloth. If you don't do so, your spray bottle is going to get blocked. And then spray this liquid on plants once in every 7 to 8 days. Spraying should be done early in the morning and when plant is dry. Pot manure is a broad pesticide which is used to control almost all types of pests and diseases. Like Panchagavya, this also is known to improve the hormonal balance of plants. To make approximately 1.5 liters of pot manure, you need an earthen pot about 2 to 3 liters in capacity, fresh cow dung 250 grams, cow urine 1.5 liters, jaggery 20 grams, neem leaves 250 grams, Punjamia pinnata leaves 250 grams, and lastly Calotropis leaves 250 grams. First, mix the cow dung, cow urine and jaggery together in the earthen pot. Again, you have to do this using a wooden stick only. Chop all the leaves into small pieces. Chop them as small as you can. Then put all the leaves in the pot and give it a good mix. You should mix it thoroughly so that each and every leaf is coated with the cow dung mixture. Cover the pot using a cloth and keep it in the shade for 7 to 10 days. After about 7 to 10 days, separate the liquid from the solids. The liquid is called pot manure. It can be stored up to 6 months if kept in shade. And the leftover solid is actually not wasted. To make the next batch of pot medicine, just add another 1.5 liters of cow urine to the solids and leave the pot for another 7 to 10 days. And then your next batch of pot manure or pot medicine will be ready. You can repeat this process for up to 2 months. To use pot manure on mature plants, dilute about 80 to 100 ml of concentrate with a liter of water. For younger plants, take about 40 to 50 milliliters of the concentrate and dilute with 1 liter of water. You can spray the solution once every 10 to 15 days. As a fertilizer, you can apply it only to mature plants once in a month. Making Panchagavya is a little involved process. It also takes some effort to put all the raw materials together. But once you start using it and see the effect it has on your plants, you'll forget about the effort that you have put in. It is one of the best things that I discovered during my gardening journey, and it truly is the Indian way.